118 days ago, I started a journey to try to bring my hairline in. It is officially day 119 and we're still going strong. We're going to start today off with our famous strawberry mint hair growth oil. There will be a price increase on this oil tonight at 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you haven't placed your order on this oil yet, be sure to get yours right now. Use code JUICE10 at checkout to get 10% off your order. Once the oil is applied to our hair, we want to start brushing from the crown, working down to the hairline. You want to make sure we hit all 8 angles. If you don't know your 8 angles, be sure to check out my 14 video series on my TikTok account where I teach you all your 360 wave basics and fundamentals. Once you learn your 8 angles, come back, start brushing from your crown, work down to your hairline. You want to make sure you hit all 8 angles, 60 strokes each angle. Do not miss an angle. Go ahead and grab your oil and apply it to the area that needs growth. Once the oil is applied to the area, you want to grab a soft brush and thoroughly brush that in. Now it's time for our Hims 5% minoxidil hair regrowth treatment. As you know, I will be taking a trip to Turkey in 2024 for my hair transplant journey. If you're interested in that journey and would like to support, be sure to click the link in my bio and donate to the GoFundMe. Once your donation is sent, we're going to come back, applying the minoxidil to the area that needs growth and brushing that in thoroughly. We're going to go ahead and finish up this session with our Derma Stamp. Today's the day I finally turned my Derma Stamp to a 2mm length, and let me tell you, it's a big jump from a 1.5mm. Go ahead and stamp the areas that need growth. You want to do about 5 to 7 stamps. You can go up to 10 stamps if you could take the pain, but you want to stamp both horizontally and vertically. Once you're done stamping the area, you want to sanitize your Derma Stamp. Please do your research on the best way to sanitize your Derma Stamp. Pat it dry with a clean towel and store it for your next use. This is what the hairline is looking like on day 119. I'm going to see you guys on my next update.